clouds are drifting through the evening. The wind bends the trees along the lane. For all these hollow nights, they only seem to increase the feelings. But I thought of you in Stratford in the rain. For all those times I couldn't find ways to tell you the words that lay trapped inside my brain. And now those times have all faded out of you. But I thought of you in Stratford in the rain. Too many times doubts rose inside me, and too many times you heard the same refrain. And too many times my way was misdirected. But I thought of you in Stratford in the rain. Every night it takes a little longer for the light of dawn to kiss the window pane. Weeks have passed, but the memories never cease growing stronger. The thought of you in Stratford in the rain. Too many times my fears would guide me, and too many times my thoughts were all in vain. And too many times a smile was undetected. But I thought of you in Stratford in the rain. The autumn clouds are drifting through the evening. The wind twists the leaves on down the lane. Another summer gone and only filled with